Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pidre. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. You can also like and comment on this video. Share us your experience using different strategy that we used to drop on this channel, and you can also join our Telegram group for mentorship and for VIP group. You are going to be making daily profit with our strategy. So guys, today I'm going to introduce to you another strategy on boom 1000 and crash 1000, how you can easily take up your 5 candlestick every time in the market. So this taking 5 candlestick is going to be a consistent basis. As you know that consistency is the key. If you have the ability to take 5 candle every time you enter your market, you know how much money you are going to be making with that. So if you open a 2 position with that, with 0.2 loss size, and you are open up to 3 position every time with 5 candle each, you know how much that is going to be. So on a particular position you are going to be making $1, and that is $5 in just one trade. Guys, I'm going to show you the settings of this strategy and how it really works. You see, once it is confirmed at this particular time, I do enter my market. You see, I have my confirmation here now. You see, that's exactly what is happening here, guys. And I have another strong confirmation, which is this black 9 here. You see, it's giving me a strong confirmation from this angle. I have a strong confirmation from here, and immediately my red 9 is crossing my green 9. Then guys, this is the right time for me to enter my market. And another thing for me to confirm before I enter this market is to move my trade. You see guys, I always advise you guys to always do your trade, to always move your trade. You see, when you hold your screen, you can easily move your trade from the beginning to the end. So if you can move it from the beginning, to the end, and that particular spot still remain on that 90 level, you see, if this particular area is still remain on the 90 level, guys, that is exactly the right time for you to enter your trade. Like this trade now, the right time for you to enter the trade is particular this time. So if you are taking up your only your 5 candlestick, you will have take your up to like 5 candlestick, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with this 5 candle now, you will have make up to $5 just on per trade. Guys, if you can easily take up to 10 of that in a day, you have already make $50, guys. So let me show you the settings of this strategy before I explain how this strategy really works. So the settings is very simple. We are going to be clicking on our relative strength index. We have the period of 100. We have the applied to close. We have whites, which is our background, as our color here, and we have the level. We have just only 3 level. We have 90 level, we have 0, and we have 10 level. You see that? So just screenshot it, then press on done. Then we have our market facilitation index. You see that we have the, just let it be this, just screenshot it, then set it up. So our FSI down, which is the volume down, is going to be in the color of your background, and the same up, which is the value down, also is going to be in your background. You just set it up like this, guys. So I have the last one, which is the relative Vanguard index, which is the period of 10, guys. We have this, just screenshot it like this, then you have it done on your watch, on your settings. You see, we have already make our profits with this if we enter the market. You see that, guys. So guys, what I always ask you guys to confirm is this particular entry. The first thing you always look at is to first check your market price here. You see it move on after there is a spike in the market. It give you a strong confirmation on a black 9 like this. You see the rest are moving on a below 10, but only this one move above what? Above 10. You see, it make you have the full confirmation that this particular trade is going on your own direction. You see that? So immediately you confirm that particular thing, then you what? You wait for your red line to what? To cross over the green line at this particular time. You need to wait. You need to wait. You see, from this particular side now, it has not yet crossed. You need to wait for the green for the red line to cross over the green line. I think it crosses from this level. You see, that is once it leave my 90 level, you see that is exactly the right time for you to enter your market, and you count down your what? Your 5 candlestick, then you enter your market, guys. So let's check another confirmation. You only take trade that is what? That sits on that 90. As I always told you guys, you move your trade from the beginning to the end for you to confirm it. You see, you move it from the beginning to the end, it still remain in that 90 level. So that means you are going to be taking this particular entry. The first thing is to first check your market price here. You see, the rest are going below 10, and only the price move above the what? Above 10. You see that it's giving you a what? A strong confirmation that this particular trade that you are going to be taking is going to favor you guys. So you wait for the what? For the red line to what? To cross above the green line, and when it's leave my 90 level, then you can enter your trade and take your 5 trade. You just take your 5 candlestick. So with that, you can easily enter and what? And exist the market. So guys, the reason why I always tell you guys to always move your trade is this. You see, if you check this particular trade now, you see that it reached 90 level here, but when you move it again, you are going to see that it's dropped below again. Even though it gives us a confirmation, but my guys, it is not sure, it is not certain, because this kind of trade, a spike can happen. So guys, what you just need to do is to always look for that particular trade that always stay on 90 level like this. You see, when you move it from the beginning to the end, it's going to stay on that 90 level. So this is the kind of trade that I ask you guys to always wait for. You see, this one doesn't have a confirmation from the market price, but as you can see, you can easily enter your market when the red line cross above the green line. You see, from this particular high area, and you can enter your market and take your 5 candle. So this strategy work on what? On crash 1000 also. The same thing happen on crash 1000. Once you can able to what? To confirm your market price, you see it move, it show out a what? A long what? A long price at here, and that show you a confirmation that is exactly going to what? Is going to respect your level, and you wait for the red for the what? For the blue line now, for the green line now to cross over the what? The red line. You see, at this particular time now, you see it cross, then you what? You can enter your market and count down your what? Count up your 5 candle. So guys, is that is exactly the right time for you to enter. Don't forget, you need to confirm, move it from the beginning to the end for you to identify the original entry. So for you to identify the great time for you to enter the market, not fake one, so that you can know that this particular level is so strong for me to enter the market. You see, we have another entry at this particular time. You see that you first confirm your what? Your market price. You see it move above 10 for you to get a confirmation. It's even giving you to this particular side, and the second thing you need to do is to wait for the what? For the red line to cross above the green line. You see, once it cross above the green line, my guys, you can enter the market without fear. Just count your 5 candle and take out of your out of the trade, guys. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, and you can also like and comment on this video, and also you can join our Telegram group for mentorship. Even as a beginner, we can train you on how to make a consistent profit every day with our strategy, with our indicator. You can what? You can earn a lot of money every day. So room is open for VIP, and also for mentorship. It's going to only cost you just little thing, just little thing for the beginners. So guys, what you only need to do is to what? Is to join this channel and always keep on watching our daily video, for you to update yourself, for you to learn more about what has happened in boom and crash. Guys, thanks.